What's the meaning of cone? Cone. Cone.
Cone. Cone. A cone is a three-dimensional object with a circular base that tapers to a point or vertex. It resembles a triangle when unfolded or viewed in cross-section. Cones can be found in many natural and man-made objects, including ice cream cones, traffic cones, volcano cones, and speaker cones. They are used in geometry and engineering for their unique shape and properties. In optics, a cone of light is used to describe the angle of the light beam emitted by a source. Cones are also an important part of our eyes, helping us perceive color and fine details.